So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add social icons elements on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is to click on the add elements here, and then here you're going to see here social icons. So just drag and drop. Now we have social icons. Now, of course, we're going to have to edit a little bit the icons here. So first, links. So excuse me 1 second, just drag the camera here. So here we have add a new link. And now let's say I'd like to add a new link, a my YouTube channel. So if you paste here your YouTube channel, just Hostinger will actually know that is a YouTube, that it's a link from YouTube, and it will add the proper YouTube icon, as you can see here. Now to edit, you can edit and add your Twitter here, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, your Facebook. You also have the here to edit and or just to delete. Now the style, we can increase the size of the icons here, resize them like so. And now we can increase the style, this size, right? And when we hover over this, let's say now we change the color to white, or you can change the color to any color you want. And then when we hover with the mouse, the color is going to turn into maybe, let's say, red or white. Maybe hover, and now we can click hover, and I'll select white here. And then when we hover now, it's going to turn into white, as you can see. And now let's go back and edit social icons. Now the layout, display icons vertically. You also have this option. Now the layout. Now the also animation, which is this default animation I have here. You can add a default animation here in website styles, and you can add a default animation if you want to add animation. If not, you can just click on no animation if you don't want to if you don't want to add any animation. So yeah, I hope you found this video on how to add a link to your navigation menu helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.